What are the concepts behind installing and troubleshooting a residential submersible system? Which is better, a 2 or 3 wire motor? How do you conduct a 10-minute service call? We'll answer these and other questions during the Residential Submersible Systems certification. My name is Rachel Batdorf, and I'm a part of the FranklinTECH team. During this certification, we'll discuss FranklinTECH residential submersible products, along with what you need to know in order to properly size, install, and troubleshoot. To do this, we'll take you through a series of self-paced modules and quizzes. This certification includes electricity and product fundamentals, sizing and installation, and troubleshooting checks. Whether you're just beginning in the water systems industry or a seasoned professional, show your expertise at your next service call by earning this certification. We're excited to share this opportunity with you. We'll see you online.